AI tools that crush ChatGPT. I know ChatGPT is the biggest surge in the whole entire AI market, which it really took this industry by wildfire and storm when it came onto the scene. But there's a few limitations that are hindering ChatGPT's performance and having people switch to some of these other tools that are absolutely crushing it and way more robust and useful for everyday use cases. So I'm going to be sharing what these tools are going to be. First is going to be Microsoft's Bing chatbot. It is an advanced AI search engine that is more superior than ChatGPT-4 with real-time access to the internet, so it has built-in up-to-date information. It has better natural conversation. The Bing platform excels at handling complex multi-step tasks with offering natural dialogue responses. But the main thing with Bing is its practicality and its utility. It scientifically outperforms ChatGPT in research, learning, and various other practical applications. The next one that you need to check out is going to be Google Bard. This one will have the most robust data in terms of having the largest language model to train its chatbot on. And once again, it has access to the internet, so you can up-to-date information right at your fingertips with just a couple prompts. And the biggest differentiating factor between ChatGPT and Bard is going to be the quality responses that it gives you, which offering reliable and well-sourced information, also allowing to include different science topics, medicine, and actual current events for your research. The next one's going to be for all the bookworms out there and the writers, and it's Perplexity AI. It demonstrates high-level creative writing, producing coherent stories, and articles that have natural flow. I know sometimes when I type stuff into ChatGPT, when I'm wanting longer form written content, it's a little bit clunky and it doesn't flow the best. So with Perplexity AI Assistant, it solves all those problems where for all the people that are looking to elevate their writing experience, it's mostly going to be used for when you just don't know what to write. You're trying to put pen to paper and you can't get started. It's going to really give you some whole bunch of idea, and then you can just iterate on whatever it produces. The AI evolution is upon us, and you need to start adopting one of these tools that I mentioned. And for the people that aren't liking ChatGPT, reference the ones that I mentioned above. They're going to be able to provide you an even better experience than what ChatGPT can right now currently. But my main message for people is I personally was a hater of AI, and I thought it was going to be a waste of time, just another fad that provided no value to my life, something that I was paying a subscription for, and it's just taking money from me and I'm getting nothing out of it. When really I adopted it, started using it in my business, and in some cases I got a 52,000% return on efficiency on doing certain tasks in my business. That's absolutely massive. I've taken my workload completely down with using some of these AI tools so I can focus on the things that are making me the most amount of money and helping in the things that I personally enjoy doing the most, which has led to me having a happier, more profitable business and spending less time having to achieve those goals. So if you're someone that's not quite all the way there and a little bit thinking that AI is wishy-washy, just jump in and start using it. I guarantee you'll never go back. And for the people that want that information, hit the subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you up to date with what I'm using in my business. And if you want a copy of the best AI tools I've used to evolve my business, go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and shoot me a DM saying AI tools. I'll provide you a copy.